Hi guys, good morning and welcome to a day in my life and I'm on a 24-hour call today. तो चलिए देखते हैं मुझे आज क्या क्या करना है. सबसे पहले I pack my scrubs because night duty के लिए scrubs are very comfortable. उसके बाद I take my lab coat and my bag and I have to take some essentials with me. And once my packing is done, I head straight to making my cup of coffee because coffee is the one thing that has been constant in my life, be it Pune or Hyderabad, be it my NEET PG prep or my duty now in the OBGY department in Hyderabad. And I take my coffee and I sit down for a while just thinking about everything that has happened. So I just sit down with my thoughts, have my cup of coffee and I just reflect upon everything that has happened throughout. I'm so glad that I have this opportunity with me and I'm doing my residency now and I'm just grateful for everything and everyone who's been with me throughout this entire journey. तो मेरी कॉफ़ी पीने के बाद मुझे रेडी होना होता है but before I go to the hospital, I need to make sure that at least my multivitamins are in check because life is hectic out there and I need to take care of myself. So I go for Swiss Wellness's odorless 4x strength wild fish oil concentrate which has the highest concentration of fish oil in a single capsule, that is EPA of 720 and DHA of 486. There's another variant of 1500 mg with EPA 270 mg and DHA 180 mg. The best part is that you won't get those burps and that horrible foul smell. Swiss products are manufactured in Australia with nature's finest ingredients and is Australia's #1 multivitamin brand. Do check out their products, the links are in the description. And there's also a 40% off on all their products. So once I reach the hospital, I first of all check if there are any discharge summaries that are pending for the day. Because as a first year, like हमारा ये बहुत important काम रहता है discharge summaries को fill करके make sure करना that सब correct information डाला है. तो that's the first thing I do. And ये doctor's room है जहाँ पे हम लोग usually हमारा night duty spend करते हैं. तो I keep my bag here in the doctor's room and I just check and go through the case sheets. उसके बाद my co-PG Kritika, she comes to me and we both divide our work. So अभी के लिए the work that we do involves dressings, pre-op notes, case sheets, discharge summaries. Mostly it seems like clerical work but there's a lot to learn. मतलब हर एक पेशेंट के बारे में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है पेशेंट से बात करके, उनके कंप्लेंट्स सुन के, उनके रिपोर्ट्स देख के. अभी तक OT जाने का चांस नहीं मिला है बट हाँ, नॉर्मल वजाइनल डिलीवरीज हमने बहुत देखे हैं, असिस्ट भी किए हैं. तो लाइक वी आर गोइंग स्लो बट इट्स रियली गुड एंड लाइक द टीचिंग हियर इज एक्सीलेंट. मतलब आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट यहाँ पे बिल्कुल टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं है. I'm doing a DNB program and like I'll make a separate video on why I chose DNB versus MS. Doctor's room के बाद I head to the OPD जहाँ पे मैं आज हमारे HOD मैम के साथ I wait, I see patients before ma'am comes and I write their advice and I do the examination like per speculum, per vaginal examination and per abdominal examination if the patient is pregnant. Fetal heart sound सुनते हैं. The smile that appears on the mother's face when she hears her child's heartbeat is just priceless. Maybe this is one of the reasons why I chose obstetrics because मतलब gynec तो है ही अच्छा but like obs I really like. And जब भी time मिलता है I just go through and fill up the discharge summaries because यहाँ पे day care procedures भी बहुत होते हैं where the patient comes in the morning at 7 AM and before 7 PM the patient is back at home. उसके बाद I go have some lunch and when it's almost evening time हमारा handover होता है तो the duty person who is currently there tells the next duty person कि ward में कितने patients है, क्या patient का क्या pending है, क्या patient का क्या report भेजा है, क्या patient का क्या report लाना बाकी है and whatever that is left. And the best part is कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक है तो there's less of like paperwork but more of like computer work and it's good in a way because the record is maintained throughout. So they have their own ecosystem and everything is very professional. Oh yeah, and we also have a system where we have to punch in and punch out. हमारा attendance वैसे होता है, उस हिसाब से हमें हमारी salaries मिलते हैं. And when I went down to do my punch out तभी just एक emergency case आई. You can see here कि ambulance से patient को ला रहे थे and like the ER department is also on a full swing mode in the hospital. उसके बाद I changed into my scrubs, took rounds, finished the repeats which is the notes that we put in the evening and then I went to have some dinner. फिर मैंने बाकी remaining patients के rounds किए, saw the patients, asked what their new complaints were. एंड या उसके बाद आई सैट डाउन, फिनिश द केस शीट्स. फिर उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ पे 2 न्यू एडमिशन्स आए. अ पेशेंट केम, शी वॉज एन एंटीनेटल पेशेंट. शी कंप्लेन्ड ऑफ बैक एक बट शी डिड नॉट हैव एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन सो शी वॉज नॉट इन एनी लेटेंट स्टेज ऑफ लेबर. हर पर वजाइनल एग्जामिनेशन वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट सजेस्टिव ऑफ एनी लेबर साइंस. सो उनका पेशेंट का सब हिस्ट्री वगैरह लेके पेशेंट को काउंसिल किया, एडवाइस दिया, बट वी केप्ट द पेशेंट अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन. उनका CTG भी हमने किया. एंड या दैट वाज इट अबाउट द केसेस. उसके बाद वी टुक सम रेस्ट बिकॉज क्या पता कभी भी इमरजेंसी आ सकती है. एंड गेस वॉट, लाइक इट वॉज माई सेकेंड नाइट ड्यूटी एंड कोई भी केस रात को इमरजेंसी रूम में नहीं आई. सो आई डोंट नो वेदर टू कॉल माई सेल्फ लकी और नो, because like I really wanted to see patients and understand how everything is handled in an emergency situation. But yaar, patient ke liye I don't even want that to happen. But yeah, so that was my day overall. And then I go in the morning, I punch out, and well, since this was a Saturday, हमें Sunday off मिला because Sunday duty day people will do Sunday's duty and continue post duty on Monday. But if we have been assigned Saturday's duty, that means we have it only till 8 AM the next day. तो मैंने नेक्स्ट डे सुबह जो भी ड्रेसिंग्स पेंडिंग थे वो किए एंड देन आई रीच्ड होम बाय 10 PM. सो दैट वाज इट. दैट वाज माय 24 hours ड्यूटी. आई होप यू गाइज एन्जॉयड दिस व्लॉग. थोड़ा सा अलग फॉर्मेट है बिकॉज कांट रियली शूट एंड से अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द हॉस्पिटल, बट होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वॉइस ओवर फॉर्मेट. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शॉवरिंग योर लव एंड एवरीथिंग. लाइक आई हैव रेड ऑल योर मैसेजेस एंड थैंक you so much once again. I hope you don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.